Hello student, today I am going to discuss some physical quantities related to this chapter kinematics. At first, what is uniform motion? The motion of an object is said to be uniform if it covers equal displacement or distance in equal interval of time. That is called uniform motion. Means 1 second 2 meter. Say distance traveled by an object in 1 second is 2 meter, 2 second 4 meter, 3 second 6 meter. So like this motion is said to be uniform motion. Now uniform speed. Uniform speed, it is the ratio of path length to the time taken by the object to cover that path. Means ultimately it is path traveled or path length is divided by time interval. Uniform velocity, we know velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement. So uniform velocity is defined as the ratio of the displacement to the time taken by the object to cover that displacement. So uniform velocity of an object, so displacement is divided by time interval. So displacement is the straight line distance between final position and initial position. So that displacement, that is final and initial position, is divided by how much time taken to travel the particle from initial position to final position. So that time divided by, so displacement is divided by that time interval or time. Now non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, say variable velocity. So it is said to be moving with variable velocity if it covers unequal amount of displacement in equal interval of time. So that is called variable velocity or non-uniform velocity. Now average speed. Actually average speed is the total distance traveled by the object is divided by total time taken. So average speed, total distance traveled is divided by total time taken. Say if the object travel, say different distance, say x1, x2, x3 to xn, is there a time taken t1, t2, t3, tn. That is called average speed, total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Now average velocity. Average velocity. Average velocity is the displacement that is the distance, straight line distance between final position and initial position, is divided by how much time taken for that displacement, the total time or time interval. So if the object travel at time t1, displacement is x1, at time t2, displacement is x2, then displacement at time t1 the distance traveled by the object is x1, at time t2 the distance traveled by the object x2, then displacement is x2 minus x1. So average velocity x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. Now instantaneous velocity, the velocity of an object at a particular instant of time or path is called instantaneous velocity. So average velocity, if you take average velocity, say small change in displacement x plus del x minus x t plus del t minus t, that is del x by del t. So if this time is very small, which tends to 0, if del t tends to 0, then we can write limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t, so dx by dt. So this is called instantaneous velocity. If it's instantaneous velocity, you have to remember this. So this time, if this time is tends to 0, then we have to write limit del t tends to 0 del x by del t equal to dx by dt. Now uniformly accelerated motion plus acceleration. A motion in which change in velocity in its unit of time is constant is called uniformly accelerated motion. So if change in velocity is constant, means it is called uniform accelerated motion. So acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. So change in velocity is divided by time interval. If velocity, if you write acceleration, if you write a, so velocity, change in velocity v2 minus v1, t2 minus t1. So this is called acceleration, change in velocity in unit time interval. Now instantaneous acceleration. The acceleration of an object at a given instant of time or motion is called instantaneous acceleration. So average acceleration, if you write average acceleration, change in velocity divided by time interval. So change in velocity del v by del t. And again, if del t is very small, which tends to 0, then we have to put limit del t tends to 0 del v by del t, which is dv by dt. So acceleration A equal to dv by dt. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, and dimensional formula m0l to the power -2. Thank you.